Thank you for choosing to participate in our Leaders of Evolution courses. I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code. I am doing this tutorial on the Young Leaders in Schools course. However, this coupon code process can be applied to any of our courses. I am using an example code that will give a $100 total cart discount. If using a group code, make sure to specify the exact number of courses and provide a group name. Then click Add to Cart. Please note that we offer two different types of coupons. These types include a total cart percentage discount, for example 20% off, or a cost discount coupon, for example $100 off. This coupon is a fixed cart coupon, which will remove $100 from the final purchase price. After you are done adding the courses you wish to purchase, apply the coupon code to your cart. Type the code where it says Coupon Code, then click Apply Coupon. You will see the coupon cost removed from your total. Proceed to checkout now. You will need to provide some information for the transaction to be processed. Check your order at the bottom of the screen and click Place Order.